Hey y'all, I'm getting ready to make a Brussels sprout salad, and I wanted to show y'all that I'm using a grater to cut up my Brussels sprouts. And you can do this with Brussels sprouts to get them into your kids, because if they're in small bites like this, small shreds like this, they're easier for them to taste them and enjoy them. So I don't know what I'm going to put with the salad just yet. And it's a salad for one. So this is what, 2, 4, 5 Brussels sprouts. And so you won't throw these away. What you do is you put those back in your little container, put them back in the refrigerator. You can literally fry those up. You could saute those, and you could throw those in the oven with olive oil, salt and pepper on them, a little garlic, and eat those as like a little treat. So don't throw that away. So this is the Dino Kale, the Tuscan kale that I told y'all about the other day when I was washing it and drying it and spinning it in the salad spinner and wrapping it up. And these are the paper towels that come in. I don't throw these away. I save these on my countertop so that when I have like grease spills that I need to get up, if I want to wipe something down, I use these because there's nothing wrong with these paper towels. So I make a stack of them and leave them up here on the cutting board or on the counter and just use them as wipe up. Don't throw these paper towels away after you get your greens out of there and you're ready to use your green. But look at them. It's probably been a week and a half since I made that video. I have to go back and look. But look how fresh and dry. Look how dry they are. They're not wilted or anything. They dry. Because if you wash them, spin them in a salad spinner, allow them to air dry, and then wrap them in paper towels, and then store them either in those little cute little containers y'all like, or store them in an airtight Ziploc lock bag, they will keep for weeks. All greens, they will keep for weeks, y'all. You see it right here. You just cut them up just like that. Y'all, this is where your chlorophyll is coming from. This is where your chlorophyll, and I think the green, dark leafy greens have vitamin A in them also. But that's where it's coming from, y'all, okay? And this is a wonderful green. I love this green. I love Dino Kale. So I'm standing here thinking what else I want in this salad. I've got the kale and the Brussels sprouts in there. I wish I had some shallots, because shallots are a little thinner than red onions, so I just diced those up small. And I had a couple of little pieces of carrot in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna put that in there. And the reason I don't have to go through the process of showing y'all me chopping up stuff, number one, because I think do you really need to see that? I mean, number one. And number two, I don't have the greatest knife skills, so I just get it done. And I think, from my perspective, I think people get how to chop stuff up. I just do. But in the future, if you don't, tell me, and I'll make a video of it showing you how I do it now. But I just like to save people time, because I think people's time is important. That's why I don't have an intro on my videos or anything like that. I just try to like get to the point, because I know people want you to get to the point. Okay, so I'm getting to the point of what else I'm gonna put in here. I don't know yet. So let me go look in the fridge, and I don't know, because I have so many wonderful things in the fridge, because I buy my vegetables all at one time, and I have a refrigerator full of wonderful vegetables. That's the beauty of washing, spinning, drying, having all your vegetables meal prep. You have choices. And just in case you don't know this about me, I am not a believer in massaging greens. You absolutely do not have to massage greens. All you have to do is squeeze a little acid on them. And in this case, I'm using lemon. And just let them sit for a few minutes in that lemon or lime or orange or tangerine or grapefruit or whatever you're using will cut that bite down some in those dark leafy greens. I don't believe that greens have to be massaged. I just don't. It's just not a thing that I'm interested in doing. Well, I think I've decided what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to make me a lemon honey vinaigrette. And all of that is like lemon, olive oil, and a little bit of honey in a measuring cup. Mix up, pour it over the salad. But then I'm going to top it with a little Parmesan Reggiano cheese. I went to the grocery store, H-E-B grocery store, actually cut open a whole wheel of Parmesan, and I got me some cheese from over there, and it's really, really good. So I'm gonna top this salad with that. But I'm gonna make a lemon and honey vinaigrette, salt and pepper, and then add some Parmesan cheese. So I don't need a lot of dressing, but What I do is I mix it up and then I taste it. And it's good already. It needs a little bit more sweetness, just a hint more of honey and salt and pepper. Yeah, that's good. This is the honey that I'm using, y'all, out of Austin, Texas. So it's pretty local. I think that's what they mean when they say local, as close as you can find it to you by local stuff. And I just got a little real salt in here. Do y'all use real salt? And black pepper. And it's good right now. And of course, y'all know I'm gonna put cayenne on it because I love cayenne. Y'all, it's good just like it is. Your kids will eat this and not even know they're eating Brussels sprouts. I haven't even added the cheese yet. It's good just like it is. And here we are, cute little salad, Brussels sprouts, dino kale, little red onions. I would use shallots if I had shallots, a little carrots, a little lemon and honey vinaigrette, olive oil, lemon, honey, salt and pepper, and a little bit of shaving of Parmesan Reggiano cheese. And it is a delicious salad. Now, once this video turns off, I'm gonna spray some, I'm gonna sprinkle some cayenne pepper on it because I know y'all don't want to see me with cayenne pepper on everything, but I put cayenne pepper on everything. So I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper on here just because I enjoyed that. But this is a salad I think you can get your kids to eat because you can't even taste the bitterness in the Brussels sprouts or the bitterness in the kale green, and they will eat the salad. Trust me, if you cut your vegetables up thin enough, small enough, they can take them. And that's really the key to getting vegetables into your family. Even if you got grown people that don't want to eat a lot of vegetables, cut them up just like you saw that I did. I used the grater. I used the grater for the Brussels sprouts, and I cut up the kale real thin. If you cut them up real thin, people can take them. And then I put the vinaigrette on them, so that kind of helps with that bite. I don't necessarily have to have that, but I know most people do because they're not used to eating greens. So I want to encourage you to do that, to get these dark leafy greens and these healthy vegetables into your family, okay? Okay. I decided at the last minute to add me some sardines to get me some protein. So I got protein and I got fiber, got me a little cheap crackers. That's how I'm gonna roll today, y'all. It's a pretty day outside. I may take y'all on my walk with me today because after I eat, I'm gonna go for a walk. It's in the 60s here and I'm excited about that. Okay, y'all, I just finished my walk and there is a bench in the area on the bayou that I can come and sit down and chill and make videos after I finish my walk. So that's what I'm doing right now. Got in 2 miles. That 2 to 2.5 miles is about the most I can do on a day-to-day basis. So I got that in, and that salad was good, y'all. That Brussels sprouts and kale salad was really, really good. And as I was tasting it, I could tell that it's a salad that you can get your children to eat. You can get your family to eat. Those people that swear that they don't like vegetables, they'll eat that salad because it was light and it was refreshing, and the lemon and honey vinaigrette made it taste so good. But I wanted to get on here and talk to y'all about something that I watch and get y'all opinion. I watch a lot of British type stories, historical stories, even though a lot of them are not factual. They're inspired by facts, like Bridgerton and Poldark and Jamestown, and I just finished watching Versailles and stuff like that. I watched a lot, Downton Abbey and stuff like that. And what I noticed is that back in the day, those people had separate primary bedrooms for the wife and separate primary bedrooms for the husbands. And I'm seeing now online that a lot of people are going back to that. And a lot of reasons is because the one spouse snores and the other one can't deal with it. But I wanted to get y'all's opinion on what y'all thought about that, because I think it's rather interesting. Actually, the sun is in my eyes, so I might not be looking directly at the lens, but I want the sun in my eyes, so y'all forgive me for that. But I think it's actually interesting that people are starting to revert back to that tradition now of having separate bedrooms, to where the female has their primary bedroom, primary bathroom, and their big old walk-in closet. And then the male has the same thing in the house. Now you got to have you got to have a sizable house to do something like that. But a lot of people who do, I'm seeing online that they're going towards that. And I just find that interesting. And I wanted to get y'all opinion. And the other thing I wanted to talk to y'all about is that I'm going to take y'all on this journey with me of me trying to lose a little weight, because every year in the winter months I gain weight, and I gain weight strictly because I can't deal with the cold, y'all. So if I can't deal with the cold, and I'm a December baby, I can't deal with the cold, which means that I don't come out and get my walks in enough. And when I don't get my walks in enough, I gain weight. So we're getting ready to go on some not necessarily vegan type eating, but we're going to be eating a lot of vegetables and stuff and beans and stuff, so that I can help get some of these pounds off me so that I can be right for the summer. And I want y'all to come along with me. So that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all make that salad. That salad was really, really good. And I got to take my glasses off because I want some of this sunshine before it sets to get in my eyes, because that's how I like to get my vitamin D. Y'all go out and make it a great day. I'm Val Taylor, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye now. Oh man, that feels good. Thank you, God. Whew.